Hello guys, this is Tanvi. Welcome back to Sweet and Savory Recipes. Today we'll make appe, a South Indian delicacy and also known as rava paniyaram. This is something which is loved by people of almost all age groups because it's very healthy, very light and super easy to make. So it's perfect for a healthy breakfast and you can also pack these for your kids' lunch boxes. So let's get started and have a quick glimpse of the ingredients for around 4 to 5 servings. To make the batter, we need finely chopped onions, capsicum, coriander, 2 green chilies and a small piece of ginger, finely chopped curry leaves, half a teaspoon of sambar masala, salt as per your taste, 1 pouch of eno, 2 cups of suji or semolina, and 1 cup of sour curd. The first step is to mix curd and suji together and mix it well. Keep adding water to make a semi-thick batter. I've used around 1 cup of water here. In case you have some leftover rice batter, you can simply replace it with the suji batter and it will give equally good taste to it. Our semi-thick batter is nicely mixed. Now we'll let it sit and ferment for at least half an hour. After half an hour, our batter is ready. Now one by one we'll add all the ingredients into it and mix it nicely. Here I've added only onion and capsicum because that was available with me. You can add any veggies of your choice like carrot, peas, sweet corn, whatever you like. We have added all the ingredients. Now we'll give it a nice mix. At this point, if you feel your batter is too thick, you can add a little water because we need a semi-thick consistency for the appe. Our batter is ready. Now we'll add a mustard seeds tempering or raika tadka to the batter. For this we'll need a small pan into which we'll add some ghee and mustard seeds. Once the seeds crackle, we'll pour this tempering into the batter and mix it well. Now we'll divide the batter into two portions and add eno to that portion which we are making immediately. So make sure whenever you add eno to it, you make the appe immediately, otherwise they won't become soft and fluffy. Now we'll turn on the gas and put the appe pan on it. Once the pan is hot enough, we'll start greasing the molds with ghee. All the molds are nicely greased. Now we'll start pouring the appe batter into the molds one by one. All the molds are filled. Now cover it with a lid and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. After 5 to 7 minutes, if they have turned golden brown, that means they are nicely cooked. Now we'll apply ghee on the other side of each of them and flip them off. Once you flip all of them, let them cook for another 5 to 7 minutes and then check whether they are nicely cooked or not. Our rava paniyaram is now ready to be served. Serve it hot with coconut chutney or ketchup and let us know how you like it. Thank you for watching our video.